welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make wig using multi crochets from Expression Company. So guys, if you are new to my channel, you're so welcome. Returning subscribers, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button so that you become part of this great family. So guys, to start up with this hair, I'm using color 30. Yeah, this is color 30. Then I'm using a matching thread for it. So what you need for this tutorial is the multi crochet hair and your cap. You can use any cap, both soft and strong cap for this hair. Then I advise, if you want to make this hair, just get any color that you buy in the market, get a matching thread for it, because that will make the work not to be stressful for you. So as you can see, I'm starting my own in a different way. Yeah, instead of starting the normal way they start crossing from the beginning, I'm going to run a small pattern to make it look different. Then after that, I will now start the normal system every other person is using. So the reason why I did this is just to give it a different look, nothing else. So you can start yours whichever way you prefer to do it is okay. I'm going to leave you here to watch and understand this pattern before we move ahead to the next step. So guys, I'm done with the first stage, which is the back of the hair. I told you I'm going to make it to look different from what you have been seeing before. So I'm going over to the next stage right now. So all you need to do is pick one of the crochet hair, place it on the cap and begin to sew it, as you can see on the screen right now. And again, remember to place your needle under so that you can hide the thread while you sew. I will allow you to watch this and understand it very well. After this part, we are going to move over to the next step. guys, when we are done with sewing of the hair, the next thing we will do is to work on the parts. Remember, we have a part here, but because this is a coily hair, you can't really see it. So for you to see the part very well, this is what I do. So I'm going to like cut out a hair, measure it, and use one part of the hair to sew. Sorry, I'm going to separate the hair that I cut. You know, you can easily separate this hair. Then I will use one part to sew. I will place it at the bottom, like use it to shift it. You understand what I'm saying? So that there will be a space. The space can be visible enough. I will shift it and sew it. And after that, do the same to the other side and your part will be very, very visible. So guys, enjoy watching this so that we'll move over to the next step of this week. So guys, after working on the part of the wig, the next thing we'll do now is to sew the edges of the wig round. This will help you to lock the beginning of the wig, so that anytime you want to pull the baby hair out, you won't see them coming out. So just arrange the tips, arrange it, and use your needle and your thread and run it round. That is all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. And please kindly share this video with your family and friends. They need to learn as well. If there is anything that you don't understand, drop a comment for me and I will reply to your comment. So guys, see you on my next tutorial. Bye.